Yep. My dear air conditioner works really good. The cores are hot. It blows some really hot air, and yeah, the compressor of the compressor is sweating, but not much. Yeah, the accumulator is not spreading at all, but it's, it's still supposed to be cold air on the inside in my bedroom though. Yeah, it still works pretty good. And the compressor's getting rusty a little bit too, since I installed for like months ago, since 2025. Yep. This air conditioner is the best modern ever. And the suction line is working too. The best AC ever of the midea. And this one on the bottom too. And the fan spitting one too. I mean, yeah. That's how air conditioners works. When it's running cool mode and it still makes water. Yep, it's working pretty good. Alright, that's about it. This is my dear 2024 my dear air conditioner running high cool. Thank you for watching and over and out. Peace.